This 2022 Winnebago Minnie 2529RG is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 28 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep 6, smoke detector, external shower, TV, stovetop burner, microwave, spare tire kit, water heater, auxiliary battery, slide-out, refrigerator, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Winnebago Minnie 2529RG is 5,948 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.